Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you to log into Netflix account on your PC. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Now to get logged in on your Netflix account on PC, open up the Netflix app on your PC, or if you don't have your app on your PC, you can get it one from Microsoft Store on your device. Now if you don't want app on your PC, then you can just head over to any web browser on your PC and there search for netflix.com. And if you have app on your PC, then open up that app. The interface of homepage of Netflix is same on web browser and app. You can log into your Netflix account on PC by tapping on sign in button at the top right. Once you tap on sign in button, you will be landed to its login page. Here you have to type in your email address that you have used to create this Netflix account and then password of your Netflix account. You can tap on I icon to check and confirm your password. Now if you're done with typing your login details, tap on sign in button to get logged into your Netflix account. And there you can see you have successfully logged in to your Netflix account on your PC, and that's how you can get logged into your Netflix account on PC. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.